Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smita. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be recreating this look of Deepika Padukone that she was wearing to Priyanka Chopra's wedding reception. This was one of the most requested looks. So if you're ready, let's get started. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. Deepika always has her brows filled, so I'm going to be using the Anastasia DIPBROW pomade in dark brown with my angled brush. I'm going to fill in the sparse areas, and then with my spoolie brush, I'm going to comb my hair gently so the color spreads across evenly. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal to clean up the borders of my eyebrows, as well as on my lids as a base for the eyeshadows, using my e.l.f. eyeliner brush, which I use as a concealer brush. You don't need the same exact concealer. You can use any concealer or an eyelid primer to do so. To prevent this concealer from settling in those fine lines and creasing, I'm using my Artistry loose powder to set it. Deepika's base makeup was pretty dewy and glowy, and that's the kind of look that we're going for today. First, to prime my face, I'm using the Instant Age Rewind Primer from Maybelline. For foundation, I'm going with the Smashbox Liquid Halo HD Foundation in number 5. Whenever I go for that dewy look, I really like this foundation because it has that dewy, silky finish. Another foundation that I really like for a dewy look is the Fit Me by Maybelline in Dewy Plus Smooth. To add some dimension to my face, because Deepika has such a chiseled facial structure, I'm going to be using a darker color foundation around the perimeter. This is the Skin Deep foundation from Kleancolor in Dark Beige. And if you observe, I'm using it very lightly because her face looks very natural and glowy without any harsh contours. So you want to use just enough to add that definition. To conceal and highlight, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige. This is just a couple shades lighter than my skin tone, so it doesn't look like a harsh highlight, or it doesn't make your under eyes look ashy or anything like that. And I'm going to be blending everything out with a damp beauty sponge. Using the Artistry loose setting powder, I'm only going to set in areas where I applied the concealer to prevent it from creasing. Now, I'm not using it on the entire face because that'll make it matte, and we want to keep the overall look dewy and glowy. Her eye makeup was subtle. She had a defined crease, a bronzy shimmer on her lids, and she topped it off with a winged liner, and that's what we will try to achieve today. First, to highlight my brow bones, I'm using the JCat Baked highlighter in Twilight. Now, because I have hooded eyes, I have to build a defined crease, and for that I'm taking Putter from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to mark the area where I want to build the crease, and then with my Sigma E40 blending brush, I'm going to soften it up. For the shimmer on the lid, first I'm going to apply a sticky base. I'm just using my Perfect Bare Eye Wand from Wet n Wild in Bronze Toast. I'm just going to apply it all over my lid, and on top of that, I'm going to apply SBN using my finger. Using my blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges just to keep everything soft. And as you can see, the lid turned out really subtle and sweet. To highlight my inner corners, I'm using my JCat Baked highlighter in Twilight once again before I jump to the winged liner. And for that, I'm going to be using the Megaliner from Wet n Wild in black. And of course, I'm going to be drawing out the wing, but when I actually draw out the line, I'm going to keep it very thin and close to my lash line because I have hooded eyes. The thicker the line, the more prominent the hood is. So if you have hooded eyes like me, keep the line thin. Whether she had applied falsies or not, it's very hard to tell from a picture. It looked very natural. So I'm going to prep my lashes for falsies by curling it and applying a coat of mascara. And then for falsies, I'm using something that looks very natural. These are 110 from Ardell. And of course, I'm going to be finishing up my eye makeup with a coat of mascara in my lower lashes. And the mascara that I'm using today is Lash O Matic from Wet n Wild. Now for all that glow and finishing touches. First for bronzer, I'm using Bronze Booster from Physicians Formula. For blush, I'm using Heartfelt from Coastal Scents. And then again, using my JCat Baked highlighter in Twilight, I'm going to apply it on the high planes using my Sigma highlighter brush. And then using my powder puff, I'm going to slowly press it in so the highlighter looks more subtle rather than powdery. Before I jump to my lipstick, I'm going to set my face using the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. On her lips, she had a peachy brown nude tone, and for that I'm using Undressed from Root Cosmetics. To get that silky smooth shine that she had, the secret is to use a lightweight shine spray or a lightweight oil. And today I'm going to be using the TRESemme Smooth and Silky Shine Spray. If you can get this product, I would highly recommend it. It keeps my hair shining and glowing and looking healthy for so many hours, and it smells so darn good. I'm going to finish up this look with a black outfit and a large statement choker and earrings that I made myself. Keep in mind her choker was actually a dark green, but it looked black in this and I absolutely loved the black, so I purposely made a black choker for myself, although I could have made a green, and I actually had a green, but I chose to wear a black one. So if you want to know how I made this, I have a little snippet on my Instagram stories, for which I have a link in the description box below. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and Facebook. All the links are in the description box, along with all the products that I used today in the video. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up and comment below, and I will see you soon with another tutorial. Bye guys.